students. Today let us start a new skill of knowing suffixes. So, most important suffixes. Today's suffixes chapter will learn most important suffixes. Suffix. So, a word which is added after another word. Age. First one is age. Meaning is result, a result. Wreckage. Example is wreckage. Can you give any other example for age? So this is the base word. Wreck is the base word. We have added age. So it became wreckage.
Adolescent.
That is different. Adolescent is one word. Age is another word. So it middle aged. That's also combination. It's a compound word. It is not a single word. Old age. That's also compound word. Old age. Coverage. Yes. Cover age. So we have used. So when you come across old age, it is old age. So two different words are there. Also middle age. So here coverage, breakage, like that. Okay, did you understand? Second one is ANCE, A-N-C-E. The meaning is an action or a state. Example is importance. Importance of English. What is the condition of English? What role it plays? So that is example importance. Distance. Okay, distance. Next. Dist means far state. Dist means far state. It means a person. Example is assistant. Assistant. Last word ending with EE, it denotes a person. EE. Example referee. Referee. Any other? Payee. Payee. A person who pays is known as payee. Payee, paying person. Referring person, a person who refers. Okay, like that. Next one is ENCE, E-N-C. ENCE means an action or state. An action or state. For example, difference. State, what is the difference? What is the difference between 4 and 2. Next one is ER or OR. Check your spelling, okay? ER or OR. ER, when a word ends with ER or OR, the suffix ER or OR states a person doing a particular work. For example, who am I? Teacher. So, I am doing a particular work, that is teaching. So, teacher. Any other example? ER or OR? Farmer, tailor, OR, tailor, OR. So, a person, worker, worker, yes. Any other? Soldier, very good, very good. Soldier, traveler. So, he is doing a particular thing, there is a particular work. So, this states a person doing a particular work. So, the work is mentioned before the person. Next one, E-R-Y, erring. It is a type or place of work. For example, bakery. So, where baking is done. What is the work done here? A place where something is done. That is bakery. Something work, another cookery. A type recovery. What is done? Recovery, something. Bringing back something. So, here you should know recover. So, re is prefix, cover is base word, re is suffix. Okay. So, there may be a word may contain only prefixes, a word may contain suffix only, or it may contain both prefix and suffix. Okay. In this way, new words are formed. Next one, ESS. ESS. Generally, this is used for making a male into female or telling the gender of other gender. For example, lion. Lion, when we add ESS, it becomes lioness or a female lion, lioness. Any example? ESS. Princess. Princess, isn't it? Goddess. Tigress. Yes, right, tigress. So male gender is changed into converted when we want the female gender or feminine gender, then ESS is added to that word. Next one, full. Full means as much or as will fill. Spoonful, example is spoonful. Spoonful, full of spoon. Faith, full of faith, that is colorful, full of colors, okay. They are all adjectives. Next, ing, ing. Ing form denotes an action or result. For example, painting, teaching, cooking, acting, singing, teaching, pinching. So, here an action or result. No, don't pinch anyone, okay? Otherwise, I must start another action, that is beating. Okay. Next, I1. Surely, I am not going to beat you. Okay. ION. It is used, yes. Or TION. TION. Decoration we can use it. A process, a state or result. Decoration. Some. Attraction. Okay. It's a state. Yes. Competition. Composition. It's a state. Okay. Composition. Education. So many. If we have hundreds of words with this suffix, isn't it? Next, ism. Ism is a belief or condition. Ism means a belief or condition. Example, Jainism. Nationalism, very good. Yes? Hinduism. Nationalism. Okay. Next one is ist. Same like ism, it is ist. Nothing but it is a person. Person who goes on tours is known as tourist. Dentist. A person who treats dent, that is teeth. Okay. Next, meant. Meant means a state or action. Meant means a state or action. Measurement. Department. Is development. It is a state. Management. Okay. Next one. Able or able. Able or able. It is not able. Able. Able to be. Meaning is able to be. Inflatable. Inflatable means a thing which can be blown with air. Floating. Inflatable balloon. Inflatable boat. Inflatable bed. Inflatable pillow. So which will be filled with air. Okay. Any? Able. Available. Yes. Flexible. Comfortable. Yes, right. Memorable. So many. Very good. Thank you. En. When the word ends with en, the en denotes made of. Made of. Example, wooden. So, this chair or the door is made of wood. So, it is made of wood. Instead of saying made of wood, we use wooden. Wooden, leaden, lead, made of lead. Full. Full of. Colorful, beautiful, successful, painful. Okay, painful. Full, I am asking of full. Successful. Okay, right. Able. Able means ability. Able means ability. Flexible. Valuable. Not able. I am saying able. Ideally. Check your spelling. Able. You search. You can search in some other sources like dictionary and find out few words. Okay. Later on. As a homework. Ish. Ish means a little. Ish means little. Greenish means a little bit green in color, a little bit green. Reddish. Foolish, a little bit full. Yes. Childish. Okay, a little bit like childlike. Okay, next. No. Garnish. Garnish. Okay. Little. You put a little thing. Garnish. Put a little thing like pepper, salt. Less means without. Less means without. Careless. Not without care. Without care, careless. Effortless. Without effort. Weightless. Meaningless is right. Okay, these are the examples. Less means without. Less means lack of. Next one is like means similar to or like alike. Childlike is childlike. Though he is a big elderly person, he behaves childlike. Is childlike. Childlike. Next, us. O-U-S. Us means full of. Full of. Joyous. Joyous. Full of joy. Gracious. Full of grace. Glamorous. Full of glamour. Full of delicacy. Okay, next word, some. S-O-M-E, some means a tendency. Play some. It has a tendency of playing. Some. Handsome. Is it? No. Okay. Next word, ly. Usually we come across this one, suffix ly. It's adverb. Usually adverb. Manner. It tells us manner. How it is. Godly. Is a godly person. He helps poor. Ly. Example. Any other example? Godly. Manner tells about manner. When does it do manner? Godly. Carely. Add anything? Caringly. Okay. Next word, ward. Ward or way. The meaning is to show directions or to show the directions. You can use ward or way. For example, forward, sideway, anyway. You can do anyway. Highway. Next, right way, wrong way, left way, right way. Anyway, okay. This is about suffixes. Today's suffixes. Okay. You can frame some sentences and show me as homework. And here